Still losing marks in OET reading part B? Use this 3-step trick and score the best. Step 1. Read the question first. Part B is all about emails, policies and guidelines. Don't start reading the entire paragraph. Read the question first and underline the keywords. Step 2. Scan for functional words. Words like purpose, suggest, advises, main point or implies. Step 3. Use the context lock technique. Don't read the options alone. Read the complete sentence in the passage and match which option matches the full meaning. Don't just match words. Pro tip: if two options look similar in part B, ask yourself, what is the writer trying to do over here? Whether is he trying to inform, is he trying to recommend, suggest or warn you? Save this reel for your exam preparation, and if you need any help, do contact us.